So you have an Amazon Echo Show and are wondering about elevating the experience to newer heights? Well, here are 5 out of the ordinary tips and tricks for you to try on your Echo Show. So make sure to stick till the end of this video and check out all the tips and tricks that I mentioned to completely change the way that you look at your Echo Show. The Do Not Disturb mode can be a very enticing feature for gadgets since it preps your device to stay silent and give you some mental relief from the constant bombardment of notifications. But on the Echo Show, it does seem to do a bit more than what you would expect from initial glance. For starters, it puts most of its features on standby, like not waking up when you come close to it. And it's pretty easy to enable D&D on your Echo Show. All you have to do is give the command, "Alexa, don't disturb me."
I won't disturb you.
You can also enable D&D from the quick settings menu by swiping down from the home screen and tapping the D&D button. If you've been using your Echo Show for a while, you might have realized that despite the large display canvas, watching YouTube isn't an option on the device, at least through a dedicated app. Fortunately though, you can watch YouTube on your Echo Show through a seemingly simple workaround. As with Amazon Fire series tablets, your Echo Show does come armed with Amazon's own web browser, Amazon Silk. So, you can open the mobile version of YouTube and consume all your desired content from the platform, with the added restrictions of a browser edition of YouTube, of course. Just ask Alexa to open Amazon Silk or just open YouTube and search for content to stream effortlessly on your Echo Show. Just make sure that your Echo Show is connected to a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Did you know that Alexa is capable of reading aloud your favorite scriptures when prompted? You can enable the YouVersion Bible, which I found to be the most capable Alexa skill for Bible to read aloud your Bible verses. All you have to do is open the Alexa app on your phone, then go to the More tab at the bottom and tap on Skills and Games, and then search for the YouVersion Bible in the search bar on top. Tap on Enable if required and launch it directly on your Echo Show. Once installed, you can invoke the skill by giving the command, "Alexa, open YouVersion Bible."
Welcome to YouVersion Bible.
Or read out specific Bible verses such as, "Alexa, ask YouVersion Bible to read out Ezekiel chapter 25 verse 17. Now, if you want to restrict access to video and search on your Echo Show, especially if you have curious and pesky little kids running around, try setting up restrictions on your Echo Show. Think of it as a sort of parental control. To do so, head over to the Settings tab from the Quick Actions tab and select Restrict Access. Here, you can restrict access to multiple things with video and search. You can also set up Safe Search to filter out adult content from video and search results. Alexa on your Echo Show, like other competing voice assistants, offers a shopping list feature where you can ask Alexa to add items to your list whenever you run out of things in hand. But what's unique and sweet about Alexa is that you can link it with the Amazon shopping app and actually ask Alexa to order things for you from your shopping list and even manage your subscription orders. But for starters, you can simply ask Alexa, maybe add milk to your shopping list. You can also invoke the list on your Echo Show by simply asking Alexa what's on your shopping list. And that pretty much concludes my 5 tips and tricks for your Echo Show to get the best out of the device. If you found this video useful, do consider leaving your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Echo Show content like this.